Model, 57-plate Volkswagen Caddy 69ps Sdi. Great color, genuine, low mileage, very long MOT. Body, blue, panel van. Mileage, 109,596. MOT, the 22nd of January 2026. Engine, 1968 cc 1.9 Sdi, 69E4A. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. The gearbox and transmission are in good condition and it pulls well in all gears. No lights on the dash. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition, reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 2 former keepers, part service history, air con, electric windows, 2 keys. EU status, Euro 4. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 0740